to show you how to import an HTML template to Mailchimp. First, go to your workspace menu and choose Integrations. Find Mailchimp. Click it and name your integration. Click Out with Mailchimp. Next, you have to connect with your Mailchimp account. When you have done that, go back to your email dashboard. Find the email that you want to sync. And when hovering over the email that you want to sync, choose the option Sync To. Choose your integration from the list. Add subject line and preview text. And find the email list. Then click Sync Now. When you are back in your Mailchimp account, under Campaigns and under the correct email list, you will see the email that you synced. You can view the email and it's ready to be sent out.